Okay, so this is the DRAM personal alarm keychain. So this is very helpful for kids, wife or old children. If you are going alone and you are worried about them, this is something that you can give them. It's very cheap. You get a set of 5 with different colors: black, golden, blue, pink and silver. And it has this built-in battery light in it. So if you are fumbling with keys in dark, it really helps. Also, the biggest feature is this alarm, and you can see right now you cannot hear any sound. It's very loud. Be careful. Be prepared for it. Lower your volume if you want of the video. And my God, okay, it's like really loud. You can even hear it after a few seconds, even after you put it back in your ears, like still ringing. It's really loud, and it's very good for security. If they are worried somebody is following them, or we're trying to pull something, they can just pull this thing out. It will make a really loud sound, and everybody will look at you. So that way your family is protected. Also, a thief or burglar would get scared. It's very great for emergency, and the great thing is multiple colors, so that so this is the one I am going to keep for myself in general, because I really like the idea. But I'm going to give the pink one to my wife, and for my parents as well. I'm going to give 2 of them to them. So it's like really good gift, and really good practical solution to a practical problem. And yep, happy, it does what it says. Sound is loud, good light. Yeah, perfect. Very simple to use as well. Okay, thank you.